Learn how to make infused apple cider right in the Ardent FX. We demonstrated this recipe in our monthly Instagram live series, Easily Baked with Ardent. We make beginner from-scratch recipes right at home using our Ardent device. RSVP for our next show. We send out a grocery list in advance with everything you'll need and a recap of the event after with our video and a written out recipe. Take 1 green apple, 1 red apple, half a blood orange, some ginger, and some water up to the fill line. Put a few cinnamon sticks inside, along with some whole cloves. Cover the FX and place on the A2 setting to cook. We're going to do it for 2 full cycles. So start this recipe in the morning if you want to enjoy cider all night. If you want to enjoy your liquid without any of the fruit, separate out any of the material using the infusion press. Add some can of sugar, a cinnamon stick, and a few fresh pieces of apple. Visit the Ardent website for so much more.